Photoshop has developed over 16 basic color adjustment functions for us. These adjustment layers can manipulate the color and tone of the layers beneath them. Sometimes a same result can be achieved by different adjustment layers with different methods. What cannot be denied is that each of them has its own unique advantages. Curves adjustment layer is definitely a powerful but slightly complex one. And I put a download link in the description, which is the PSD source file of this video for you to have a try. First of all, do not go to the top menu and try to use any of the adjustments in the image. It makes you unable to revise any of the adjustments. The pro method is to go to Layer and create a new adjustment layer, or create the adjustment layer in the Layers panel. This way, everything will be changeable anytime after. First, create a Curves adjustment layer and open the Curves Properties panel. At the top of the Curves Properties panel, Photoshop has thoughtfully prepared many presets for us. Highly recommend that you try it for the first time to see the result. In many cases, these presets are totally good enough. Under the presets, there is a graphic similar to the levels adjustment. The left side of this graphic also represents the dark tones of the image, and the right side represents the bright tones of the image. Drag around the slider below can help you darken or brighten the image. Also, you will find that there is an extra vertical dimension in this graphic that you can adjust. When you drag the curve in the middle of the graphic, you will find that you can add an anchor point to this curve. If you keep dragging, you will find that you can even adjust this curve, and the image will become brighter or darker as the curve is moving. This curve allows you to independently control the brightness of dark tones or bright tones of the image. I can individually brighten the midtones of the image like this, or adjust the dark and bright parts of the image inversely so that I can get an inverted look-like image. There is also a pencil-like icon on the left side of the Curves Properties panel. You can draw a curve directly on the graphic to create the adjustment for your images. It is also possible to control the curves of a color channel independently. For example, we can try to select the green channel and adjust the curves slightly to adjust the color. Now this image looks like on Mars, and the sun is burning to the Mars surface. This series of videos will walk you through all the basic adjustment functions in Photoshop. Some are pretty easy, some are kind of more complex, so I've made an experimental PSD file for you. Links in the description, feel free to download and have a try. Don't forget to subscribe and check out this channel often. I'll keep uploading.